Treading, you know. Yeah, man, up on the seaside, me them and I walk, man. From me a youth, me I run up and down at them place and I walk, you know. Run up and down. Jump in the water. See all them boy boat here. Prospect here, and I go in the to the world. What's that? See what a prospect there, you know, people. Yeah, I'm up on the seaside and make some chat to the world. I tell you, you know, beautiful dance. Amazing. Port Antonio, Portland, Jamaica to the world. See all the big boat them here. Yellow. Yeah, I said daddy. Yeah. All the water we walk, daddy. See there? Yo. Yeah, man, on the back off, we there make a chat in a prospect where I go up on the back off, daddy. Yellow. See it there. Prospect area family. Treading. Veteran TV to the world. On the seaside. Prospect area, daddy. See me? I don't bother take it on the road, because I have to touch the road from downtown if you go prospect, you know. I just knock it on the seaside, daddy. You see me? Prospect Port Antonio to the world. See the whole place, daddy. Prospect to the world. And cinnamon a chad, you know. Yeah, man. Go where I go through, you know. See all the man them rough here. Who that? See all the man them rough here. Prospect to the world. Natural vibes. Yeah, man. We don't have to chop on the road to go prospect from downtown, but just take it on the seaside, daddy. Yo, Natty. No. Heal up, my friend. What go on at? Yeah, man. Prospect to the world. Port Antonio, Portland. Coming to you live from Chinaman the Veteran. See me? It. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We try out the place, daddy. Try out the place. Prospect me there on that. I like a place there. Side of Park School Lane. Park School Lane, daddy. Prospect here, right now. Israel Vibration Land. Prospect to the world, isn't it? Yeah, man, prospect to the world. Try the place.
Y'all do some videos.
Yes, me. So I walk on a video of my place. Prospect to the world. Where you going with girl Tyler? You good? How business?
Alright, so far, you know.
I must come get the place a black one and go to get some time.
Alright.
So let's pick up yourself, see?
Yeah, we're fine.
Alright, my friend. Mad thing. Yeah, man. Yo, Clifton. Mad, brother. Mad. On the seaside, we don't know, you know. Prospect to the world. See it, the people. Yo, wait, Natty. What go on for, right?
Yeah, man.
I see you're up on the back off. Heal the eye. King Selassie eye.
Every time.
Mad. Eating up people. Chinaman the Veteran, live and direct. I tell you. On the back off. Prospect, original place to the world. Yeah, man, I'm a born land this. Yes, I'm run up and down, daddy. Eh, see it there? Mad thing. See the whole 100 there? Up symmetry here at the ram tool, follow the whole 100 daddy. Mad.